I'm going to show you the makeup that I wore. Very simple. This is like a great summer pared down travel makeup. And I went to New England for a wedding. And so I was in Cape Cod and I was in Boston. I had a really fabulous time. And I love the fact that it was just very simple. It was low stress. And speaking of stress, I implemented and added in something new on this trip that I haven't before. And this is in partnership with Early Bird. You know, I've mentioned them multiple times on my channel over the years. It's the sleep gummies that I use, but they came out with a new product and it's called Drops. So this is CBD and THC. And I basically did this on the plane. I asked for a club soda. This is a sparkling water. It's lemon. I just added it on a little ice. Then I put one dropper of the drops in here. It was so refreshing. It took the edge off. It was so wonderful to travel with this little product because I was like, oh my gosh, it just gets so hectic. And I've been really trying to regulate my nervous system and not be so just in that fight or flight. And it's very easy for me to get there. So I've been trying to really calm down and really just not be so anxious, if you will. So this is a really nice company it's a very small company actually in Austin, Texas. And I used their gummies for about a year organically. And then we started partnering together, which I love because I love the products. I use it every single night. So this is a new product that I'm excited because I have a special cocktail that I make and now it'll become a mocktail, but I'm going to be showing that to you in the next video. And that's really exciting. One of my videos actually in July. So you'll have some options. So you can add it into any beverage that you want. I love it in a sparkling water like this because it's just so refreshing, especially like the spring, summer. And just to, not be adding sugar or alcohol or anything to, your kind of like day or evening. It's really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use a little serum on my face first and moisturize. And then I'm going to use my Clé de Peau SPF 50 Plus, just a little bit on top of my serum. I use this SPF like a moisturizer SPF, so I don't have to add something else onto it. I want to kind of just keep it really simple and not make my skin feel like I have a ton of product on it. So now we have a really good base. We could add in a little Fiercely Smooth if you need to have some extra smoothing on the skin. This is really going to be your preference during the summer. I love it because it's a gel, so it's going to still keep your skin nice and light, but you're going to get a little bit more of that hydration, but it's going to be a light. It's not going to be heavy. Silicone free. So you're going to get this really beautiful velvety finish. So you're going to have everything that lays on your skin. If you're using BB cream or serum foundation, it's going to look gorgeous. I'm going to be using my eye primer. This is going to neutralize out my eyes. This pigmentation, just going to do a nice veil using my finger into that inner corner, up to the brow bone, coming out to the end of the eye. So I did use my eye primer, even though I'm going to be going into a cream shadow. I still need that. I need to neutralize out that darkness in order for any shadow, cream or powder, to look good. Now, this is just something that I've been working on in the lab. I wanted to kind of experiment with more of a cream shadow. So I'm going to be putting on just at the base here. You can use any cream shadow that you really like, but I like this because it's kind of like this mauvey, beautiful cocoa color. And then I'm going to just use my eyeshadow blending brush and we're going to, I think it's this one that I like to use. This one is the eyeshadow blending brush. That one was, I think, my prototype before. And what I do is I just use it and blend it and buff it into the eye. It's just a very simple, very easy way to get the eyeshadow on, get you a little bit of color, but you're not doing too much. So I like this because this grips a little bit. It's not slippery. It's not all over the place. It really nicely grips the eye. I mean, it's not supposed to be perfect, but again, it's not messy either. It's very simple. Now, what I like to do is I'll just take from my Lay Bottled Blonde, I'll just take either the middle color or the lightest color if I want to do a touch of just right here in the center. just lightening up, giving it a little bit more definition so it's not matte. I like that, especially for a summer look. Just gives just a little bit of the highlight on the lid. Put it on as much or as little. And then I have my shadow done. It's like kind of like a one and done, adding a little like extra dimension, if you will, with my Lay Bottled Blonde. Then I'm gonna just curl my lashes. I'm going to take my waterproof eyeliner in dark chocolate, and I'm going to just give a little definition at the ends here. I go 3/4 and then I just basically lift it up. Multiple different videos for you on eyeliner application, but this is what I do. Just a little bit there at the end. So you can see not a lot going on the top, maybe taper down a tiny bit. I'm thickening up my lash line. What's really nice in traveling, I have dry eyes, so my eyes were a little bit more watery on this trip on the plane and everything, and my eyeliner does not budge. It doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't stream down. I'm always like blotting my eyes and it stays exactly right there. I'm going to just do a little bit at the bottom just to balance out the eye. Now you have two options. You can go into a brown mascara or a black mascara. So I have two options for you now. I'm going to use the black. During the summer, it's really nice that you have the option now that you can use the brown. It just depends on your vibe or what you're wearing or what you're kind of feeling like. And you're going to go to the base of the lash, rest your lashes on the wand, wiggle back and forth, and then come up. So you're going to see that it's like a comb that's going to separate all of your lashes. It's going to really give you that volume up, hence the name of my mascara. I worked really hard, as you know, on the wand and the formula to give you that. It's water resistant. It's great for sensitive eyes, especially if you wear contacts like I do and you have dry eye. So I get this really beautiful fringy lash that's lifting up. As you can see, it's not weighing them down and then they're falling down and look like I just put mascara that pushed them down. It's going to lift up and it's going to give you this beautiful opened eye look. All right, so now mascara is on. We are going to do a little, this is what I love to do. Really in the summer, it's funny, with the serum foundation. Before I do anything with my pigmentation, I want to see basically what I get to cover with the serum foundation. So I'm using two different colors. I'm using the fair and the light. You do have to shake them together. So I'm using fair. I'll use more of the fair. I'll probably do around half the dropper. Then I'm going to go into the light and then I just do two little drops there. I'll mix it together, see what I have. So it kind of warms it up just a little bit, but I don't want it too warm. So I feel like I have a really nice, beautiful color for my skin. So this is really nice because it's so thin on the skin. It literally melts into your skin. And I just really love this feeling when it's hot outside and it's just very silky. It's very smooth. And you don't feel like anything's on your skin. And I had a question recently on social about it. Is it good in, she had combination skin and she was in more tropical. And I said, yes, I have combination skin and I'm here in South Florida and I tested it out in our humidity and what happens. It really looks beautiful. It doesn't separate and get greasy or anything like that. And then I tested it in Las Vegas. It was in July last year, 115 degrees, so 2005. And I thought, oh gosh, what's going to happen? Is it going to feel like it's really dry? My skin's going to look really dry on? It was the opposite. It looked so dewy and radiant. I was really surprised. So I've tried it in two completely opposite types of climate, tropical, humid, and then dry desert. So this is one of my favorites. I took it to Italy also, and I was in Italy in October. So then it was like cold and rainy, and then it was like dry. I was just in Boston and it was again cool, and then it was rainy. It had like I have all these like different kind of weathers going on. I was very surprised that Boston was like that right now. Wasn't expecting it, but all I cared about was my serum foundation. was really making my skin look really beautiful. So you don't need a lot. You can build with it if you want to, but I just find it so simple and so elegant and so just looks beautiful. I don't look like I'm wearing a ton of makeup. And that's why I find myself really going to the serum when I want something simple and I want it easy and I want it to look really good. And I get really nice coverage. So I might just do concealer instead of doing all of the steps that I normally do, because I think too in the summer, like less is more. So you can see I still have a lot left. You don't need to use it, but then you'll start figuring out what's going to be the right amount of drops so you don't over kind of dispense. I usually only do 4 drops for my whole face. So I probably should have pared that down a little bit. But now what we'll do is, now we can do our creamy concealer. I have 3 colors. I have fair, light, and medium. This is light. So we can do our little technique that we do where I take this light and then I add just a little bit of the medium. So I have where it's not trying to make it too bright underneath the eye area. I'll do just in between. I just do 2 little dots like this, and then it nicely mixes together. It's a really great technique if you feel like your concealer is just getting a little bit too bright underneath the eye. It's kind of like highlighting everything. You don't want that. You want it to really nicely blend in. I'm actually going to use my soft set technique. So this is sold individually. So you can do, if you want to use this also as your concealer, if you're wanting to press it in and you're doing a little mixing, you can. So you'll see I'm just doing, my technique is I'm not flipping it back and forth. I've also showed it to you with the eyeshadow blending brush. You can still do that. You can still blend in. This is sold individually too, so you can get a really nice application. You can have multiple of these, or you can have your soft set technique and you can be pressing it in and it giving you that kind of airbrushed look also. Now, I still feel like, since I didn't do my Just Peachy, which I could have, but I'm going to just take a little bit more on this eye that's a little bit more puffy. I'll take a little bit more of my concealer and let's just concentrate on this area. And this, I just took the light and I'm just going to just make sure that we can nicely get that to be not so dark. Something that I've had to be doing lately for some reason, this right eyebrow, is doing a lot of grays. I usually have like 1 or 2, and I've noticed that this has been really full of grays. So I'm hoping that it slows down a little bit. We do not want to have 1 eyebrow gray and 1 eyebrow dark. So I just do a little. This is my Milk Chocolate, my brow mascara, which is great. Easy fix for gray brows. I'm going to take my Classic Beach Glow. This is an all cream palette. I'm going to take just the blush right now with my finger and I'm going to tap it on. It's really nice because it soaks into the skin. It doesn't sit on top and it gives you this beautiful radiance. As you can see, not too much, but this is really pretty. You can build it up. You can just do a little wash of color if you want to, but this is really nice because you have a lot of range with this palette. You have the bronzer also, you have the highlighter. So there's a lot of things that you can do to really just kind of really refresh the skin when you're traveling. It's all in one compact. I like to always bring my creme brulee because you know you can use this also as an eyeshadow. Simple, easy. Just being able to take your angled blush brush. I just hold it like this, swirl it, and you've seen this on multiple different videos where it looks really beautiful. It just looks like you're bronze kissed. You have shadow, but it's really not shadow. Such a multi-purpose compact. I'm going to be using it just to give me a little bit more of that definition in my cheeks and kind of really warm up my skin. This is talc-free, gluten-free, has shea butter in it. You're going to get really a nice, beautiful, silky look to the skin with a little bit of that radiance. It's not flat. It's not a matte bronzer, but it's also not like with lots of sparkles or anything like that. It's just this beautiful sheen, just like you have with the Classic Beach Glow. I'm going to just take my Cameo waterproof lip liner. I'm going to line my lips. You know what though, before I find from the flight, My lips are a little parched. I was putting on my Dream Melt lip mask like there was no tomorrow, which is so great. But I'm going to put on a little bit of the Rose Lip Balm just so I have a little moisture on my lips prior to putting on my lip liner. I like to fill in my lips when I'm not using a lipstick, so I still get that beautiful color and it lasts longer because these are waterproof. And then I will just put over my Cocoa 13. This is really a nice combo. And there you have like the most simple on-the-go travel makeup that is not a lot of work, multi-purpose. So say you're like during the day, you're like, oh my gosh, like what happened to my blush? I don't have my Classic Beach Glow with me. You can take your lip liner, your Cameo lip liner, and you can add a little bit of color. It literally matches your lips. It looks so pretty. You can just get a little bit more of that life if you feel like you look a little washed out. It's such a simple way to do things. Traveling on the go. I love when it's simple. You know, it's been the best investment that I did last year. I happened to see this makeup artist on TikTok. I don't even know why it came up, but she was showing her makeup bag. And I was like, where did she get that? And so I didn't know it was limited edition. And then they basically retired or it's no longer available. Luckily, I actually got the last one. They told me that when I went into the store. Remember how I was telling you I would forget my eye primer or I forgot my eyeshadows when I went to Napa that one year. I was like, how is that even possible? Because everything was everywhere. It was not organized. It was like in little bags everywhere. And I was like, I can't believe this. So after that, I always said, I will never do that again. So I bought this. I've shown it to you on lives. I've shown it to you in my other videos. This is a Louis Vuitton Nice BB. I think that's how you say it. And this is in chocolate. And it's just, I like the fact that you can't really see it. It's like debossed. And this has everything in it. So I literally just take this, put it into my carry-on. I would never check this. I put it in my carry-on and I can, do whatever. See, I don't even have that much in here because I didn't take that much this time, but it has everything in here that I would possibly need. It's all organized. I know exactly where I put everything, my black mascara, my brown mascara, like all my little different options. So I would suggest for travel, or even just to keep it organized on your vanity, have a organizer that really works for you and that you could literally just take and go. If you have like a weekend trip, you don't have to pack everything and like think things through. It's all there for you. So I'm all about ease. I'm all about relaxing, having a little mocktail, enjoying yourself, keeping your nervous system regulated. And I do have a coupon code for you that you can use. I'll link it here on the screen and I'll have it below the video too for the drops if you want to try it. I've also, if you are having trouble sleeping, I know the ladies have commented that this has helped them so much. And these are, my favorites are the watermelon and the strawberry from Early Bird. These are, I take them only at night and I get the best sleep and I'm refreshed, I'm not groggy. I think it's wonderful. It's part of my whole, I look forward to it at night with everything else that I do. But that's a simple, easy summer makeup. Don't overcomplicate it. Use your multi-purpose products. Enjoy being able to do like a base of eyeshadow with a cream and then put on a little bit more of your Nikol Beauty. Maybe it's just your Late Bottled Blonde. Maybe it's your Cabana, something really pretty. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on my next video.